Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are presenting 10 lines on United Nations Day. So let us start. United Nations Day is celebrated on 24th of October since 1948. United Nations Day has traditionally been marked throughout the world with meetings, discussion and exhibitions about the achievements and goals of the organization. It is the largest, most familiar, most internationally represented and most powerful intergovernmental organization in the world. The United Nations is headquartered on international territory in New York City with its other main offices in Geneva, Nairobi, Vienna and The Hague. The United Nations system includes a multitude of specialized agencies such as the World Bank Group, the World Health Organization, the World Food Programme, UNESCO and UNICEF. The United Nations was founded in 1945 to support collective action to realize peace, development and human rights for all. The United Nations serves as a global forum where countries can raise and discuss the most difficult issues including problems of war and peace. In addition to maintaining international peace and security, the United Nations protects human rights, delivers humanitarian aid, promotes sustainable development and upholds international law. At its founding, the United Nations had 51 member states. At present, membership is now 193, representing almost all of the world's sovereign states. In 2020, United Nations is celebrating its 75th anniversary. UN75 initiative seeks to spark dialogue and action on how we can build a better world despite the many challenges we face. So friends, if you like the video then please like and share the video and do subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching the video and keep watching for more such videos. Thank you.